Hey guys, Willie Mayette from Piano with Willie. To get the sheet music backing tracks for all of my weekly challenges, go back to pianowithwillie.com/challenge. Now today's challenge is really cool. We're going to be working on this really cool minor 7 chord voicing, minor 11 chord voicing. All right, and I'm going to show you how to break this chord down. Now what's going to be cool is when we get to challenge number 30, I'm going to show you how to put this together with the next few challenges. We're going to do an improvisation lick, and there's also going to be a backing track there as well. So be sure to look out for challenge number 30 for that. All right, so now, first of all, we start with this just by establishing the root here. So let me just kind of like show you what I'm talking about. So you see this root and fifth here for F. This could just be an octave, this could be a single note, root 5, whatever it is. All we're doing right here is just establishing the tonality of F, so that then when we come up and play a rootless chord voicing, like a major 7th or whatever, we kind of still hear that tonality. Now take a look at right here with my pedal. Notice I'm going to hold the pedal down. So I play that root 5, hold that pedal down, then I come up and I play the rest of the chord. All right, so now let's take a look at this chord and break down. This bottom note, right, is the flat 3rd. The next note up is the 11th, the next note up is the flat 7th, and the next note on top of that is the 9th. That's creating my F minor 11 chord voicing. Now before we actually do this chord voicing, let's actually just do our basic minor 7 chord voicing, which you should have learned in one of the previous challenges. So make sure you go back to the other challenges and you'll get this rootless minor 7 chord voicing. Super important voicing if you want to play any kind of jazz. Like this voicing you're going to use all the time, right? There's 2 different versions, an A version and B version. I explain all of that more in the Piano with Willie site. So if you're interested in that, take a look at the minor and major and dominant chord voicing lessons at the Piano with Willie site. So anyway, basically what we're doing here is we're playing the 3rd, 5th, 7th, and 9th, all right? We can also look at this as creating a major 7th chord on the flat 3. See how that's an A flat major 7th chord? Just another way of looking at it and seeing it. So anyway, if we start with that as our foundation chord, right? That's our F minor, right? All we're doing here in this voicing is moving that 5th to the 11th. And I like to use my 4th finger on there. I guess, if that felt comfortable, you could use your middle finger. It doesn't feel comfortable for my hands. You might do something like that, but be careful you're not creating a lot of tension in your hands. So I like to use pinky, 4th finger, 2nd finger, thumb. Okay? I can also do this. See how I'm crossing over and playing that root, just so you can hear the root, okay? So there's my F minor 11 chord voicing. Right? If I want to make that into a 2-hand chord voicing, I can start to use some of these bell tones. All right. Again, that's stuff that's on the main Piano with Willie site. What I want you to do for this week is just focus on getting down this chord voicing. Now, if you want an extra challenge, see if you could do it in some other places. There it is on C. Maybe what about on G? Right? There it is on G. What about B flat? See if you could do it around the circle of fifths or circle of fourths, right? Make it so that you're really trying to work this chord voicing, as much as you can into your playing, all right? So anyway, that's it for this week's challenge. I'll see you next week.